If you just got an Oculus Quest 3 and want to connect it to your PC, here's the easiest way to do it. You've got two options, wired with cable or wireless with AirLink. Let's go step by step. First, the wired method. Get yourself an Oculus Link cable or any high-quality USB-C 3.0 cable. Plug it into your Quest 3 and your PC. Put the headset on, accept the data permission, and then in the MetaQuest app, click on your devices and select Quest 3 and turn on Link. That instantly lets you play PC VR games like SteamVR. Now, for the wireless option with AirLink. Make sure both of your headset and PC are on the same fast Wi-Fi, ideally Wi-Fi 6. On your Quest 3, go to Settings, System, and then Quest Link, and toggle on AirLink. Then on your PC, open the MetaQuest app, enable AirLink there, and your headset should detect your computer. Pair it once, and you're good to go. For best performance, always keep your GPU drivers up to date. Close background apps and stick to Ethernet for your PC if possible. That cuts down lag. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.